How to log into United Healthcare account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hope. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your United Healthcare account. United Healthcare is one of the largest healthcare insurance providers in US. It offers a wide range of health insurance products and services. Now to get logged into your United Healthcare account, you will need to first open any web browser of your device. Now once you have opened your browser, at the search bar type member.uhc.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here in order to reach to the official website. Now once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button and then within a while you will be taken to the official website of United Healthcare. Once you reach to this section, here at the top you'll find account/profile option. Click on this account/profile option and click on account settings. You will reach to this page. Here click on this sign in button and then you will be presented with the login interface. In this first box, enter your username. And in the second box, you will need to enter the password of your account. You may also click on this eye icon at the right side to reveal your password and check if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you want to remember your username for future logins, you may click on this little square icon right here. Now after entering your credentials, click on the sign in button and then you will be able to sign into your United Healthcare account. If in case you don't remember your user ID or password of your account, you may recover them by clicking on this forgot username or password option and following the on-screen prompts provided to you to recover your account. So in this way you can log into your United Healthcare account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.